Make a plane. First, get this block if you like it. I don't care what type you use. Get something smooth if you want. This thing. Second. I don't know why, but a nuke launched right here before I started recording. So, I have this ready for me. You do. It's gonna take a while, so it's just gonna take. I know, right? So that's why I'm starting with this. I'm gonna make the giant circular thing I was planning. Oh my god, nothing, another nuke has been launched. Why is there a nuke? I hate nukes. It's everywhere. Okay, let me just step it so I'm quick. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay, so a random nuke happened out of nowhere. I was not looking at the nuke, so I'm gonna have to reconnect. I'm back. Hopefully the nuke is here. Let me just see whether my autosave saves. Is that really the last thing I made? I have this. Get down. Never mind. Those are so bad. I'm gonna make it sick. I have to get more chairs. Any chairs there? There's no stairs. Damn. No stairs. I have to open this stupid thing. That's a stair. I need seats. Okay, I got all this stuff. Oh yeah, windows. Go about windows. But we're gonna have to make windows. Give me this candy. I don't really know how to make a plain front. That's not good. I have the base finish. So I did it at the scissors. After I had the wings and the bodies. That. I also need a tail and a back to cover it, and that could make the inside set there. So, oh yeah, quick reminder. If you want my voice doing more videos, just tell me. I'm fine. Cool. Sorry. The paint job is not really done, but I managed to add working propellers. I should not, but it is connected. I also had a delay time, so it works. I don't know why I still have this empty space, but I'm not wasting it. See? Right there. Stop lighting a bomb! Well, what should I make next? Yeah, the tail. I've got this whole tail to it. Tail. Be quick. I need to make an actual entrance. No, straight for the captain's spot. I should get this thing ready, and the doors are ready, and it's blocked by this giant area thing, so I need to fix it. I'm almost done. I finished the tail and the wings. I also made a secret room here where no one will ever find that I made no collision. It's gonna be a VIP room. It'll be so overpowered. Oh yeah, I need to add the wheels real quick. I need to stop this project.